Motherhood. How can I summarize this roller coaster journey of mine in few minutes? But I'll try my best to do justice to Vasundhara, my childhood friend, who coaxed me to make a video describing my experiences, joy, and challenges as a mom. Well, motherhood is amazing, and then it is really hard, and then it is incredible, and then it is everything in between. So hold on to the good, breathe through the bad, and welcome the wildest and most wonderful ride of your life. Okay, let me rewind back to the time when I was just 23 years of age and I was blessed with a live doll to play with. Yes, my firstborn, aptly named Kavya. Poetry in motion. Kavya changed my life's perspective 360 degrees. Having done professional company secretary course, I settled down to raise my family. Motherhood came naturally to me, and along with it, the resilience to face its challenges. Long, never-ending storytelling sessions, skits, role plays, making mitti ke bartan, crafts, origami, paintings, even in the middle of the nights, was an amazing experience in bringing out creativity in me and also my child. When Kavya was 3 years of age, I decided to dedicate few hours to social work. My all-time passion was to give back to society in whichever small way possible. So I volunteered at Blind People's Association, Ahmedabad, as a reader and went on to become the editor of an English audio magazine named Listeners Club, which had an all-India circulation. I guess in my social work, motherhood played a major role here also, as it had sensitized me enough and imbibed in me various divine virtues of sacrifice, sharing, forgiveness, patience, discipline, unconditional love, and gratitude. In the year 2013, I formally created my own trust, LMP Trust Soul Connect, where I am happy to help and work for various causes which I am so passionate about, like distribution of monthly Anaj kits to needy people like widows and old people, and educational aids to deserving needy children, etc., etc. And just when everything was going smoothly in my life, in 2014, 11 years after my first child was born, I was again blessed with another angel, Kyra, meaning light of the sun in Greek. If Kavya is like a calm river, Kyra is a roaring storm, full of unbridled energy. Her naughty cries again filled my heart with new, unexplored emotions. I didn't even know mothers have an unending, abundant supply of love, which just goes on multiplying again and again. Kyra's presence opened up my mind more and more. Now, armed with practical knowledge, I started with my story reading club for children called Magical Moments, Story Reading and Activity Club on Sundays, as I had discovered how important it was for today's digital children to read and get lost and mesmerized in the magical world of books. Our children imitate us in ways we never realize. So it is best to be a good role model. My love for Mother Nature became stronger and stronger every day. When I wanted to spend more and more time learning to compost, collecting seeds, growing plants, recycling, learning to use wet waste, segregating plastics and different kinds of waste, etc. And with this, my children helped me a lot, even in developing my pet project of making beach balls. What are beach balls? Well, they are seeds wrapped in soil and manure and made into balls. One just has to throw them in open areas during monsoon for them to take root and grow into plants and trees. A novel way to plant trees and do your bit for the environment. Recently, I have opened up my venture named Pran Sattva, dedicated to make eco-friendly products for saving our Mother Earth. Well, to sum it all up, my entire journey of motherhood has been one of learning, imbibing, and growing mentally and spiritually. For me, it has been truly a divine experience. I wish and pray that I prepare my children to grow up to be mature, sensible, yet sensitive adults who will spread happiness, joy, and love to this beautiful planet of ours.